3. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make a video kind of similar to what I got for Christmas, which is going to be on my channel, and I'm pretty sure you guys saw the Christmas stuff, and most of them is actually Star Wars stuff. And so today I'm gonna be opening the Star Wars figurines that I got for Christmas. So I got 4 boxes of them. Yep. So I'm just gonna open the new character, Rose, first. So this pack, it's got Rose and BB-8, so it's really good. And I'm very grateful for my dad to get it. Thank you, Daddy. So here we go. So just peel off the sticker. And then open it. And ta-da! And this is it. Oh my gosh. I just realized this. So you got a free board to put the characters. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. So I'm just going to get some scissors. Sorry guys. Just didn't get the scissors. Sorry. Now, you can unstrap this stuff. Oh wait, actually you don't need scissors. Okay, wait. So actually you just unwind these wires. So... well, they're actually quite a hassle to unwind, but I'm getting there. And I finally managed to undo all the wires and get this person out. It was really hard. So, yep, Rose is out now, and now I'm gonna undo poor BB-8, who was just stuck there. And I got BB-8 out. So these are the 2 right here. So I'm just gonna show you. And yep. So they finally unstraggled. And so yeah, that's Rose and BB-8. And now I'm gonna open Poe. So this box contains 1 figurine and it's got Poe in it, and he looks really brave. So once you can open the front part, you just get out Poe. And so like the other boxes, this contains a figurine. Well, the Rose and BB-8 one contained 2 figurines, but this one contains 1. And also it has a stand, so you can put the figurines on a stand, but you don't actually need it, I think. BB-8 can just sit on its own. And this series of figurines is actually called the Elite series, and you can get it from Disney Store. I forgot to tell you guys, I'm really sorry. So, and Disney Store is my favorite store in the world. I think it's the best company for making toys, especially since it has Star Wars toys. So please go there if you can. And so you just can unravel the wires here that's holding the figurine in place. So have fun. So I'm going to give you guys a tip. So untangling the wires is actually really difficult. So first of all, you just untangle the wires, and then you kind of so I'll give you an example. So this one, this part of the wires right here, I untangled it, and you just kind of push the wire through a little bit through the hole that's holding right next to the figurine, and then you get your scissors and just cut the wire. because that's like much more easier than just trying to push the whole one side of the wire through, because it's like very tangled and it just won't go straight through the hole. So you just cut, okay? So I hope you guys can get through this. And done. So that horrendous amount of wire just got untangled, and it's really hard. So I don't think they should make it so hard to untangle for kids, because it's actually toys for kids. So yeah, but anyways, so this is my collection of open toys now. So Poe Dameron, BB-8, and Rose. And I like all of them. They're all so cool. So now I'm gonna open my favorite character, Rey! So once you open the top, you just basically get this, and so just like the set of the Poe Dameron, the one that the box that you get Poe Dameron in. So you just get like a board to put the figure on, and also a figure, and this is very special because it's got a lightsaber here and a star for Rey, because Rey's actually, this is a spoiler alert, Rey's a Jedi in The Last Jedi. If you haven't seen The Last Jedi, then please go and watch it, because it is just such a good movie, really. So so basically you just untangle the wires just like the other two sets, and then I'm just gonna get back to you. So I finally managed to untangle the terrible amount of wire used to hold Rey onto the plastic, and it took like about half an hour to untangle it. So guys, if you think it took 5 minutes or something, then don't, because it didn't. It was so difficult, and I cut 2 fingers. Like, it was bleeding. Like, this is kind of bleeding, see? So, the reason it's because the Disney Store company, well, whoever packages it, just kind of tangled the wires, like, really tightly, and unlike the other boxes, like, because they're all actually tangled, the wires, and it's supposed to be like that to keep the figurines on place, but so they tightly tangled it, and also there was almost no wire like for the children to like untangle, so I had to use the scissors, because otherwise I'll be like touching the wire and cut like my fingers, which I did actually. So yeah, it was really, really difficult, but I managed to do it. I'm really proud of this. And also in this set, that if you get this figurine set with Rey in it, then you also get a lightsaber and a staff, which is what Rey has. And I have a staff at home, and it looks just like Rey's, because I got it like custom made, and it's really awesome. Wait, I'm just trying to like get this out. Sorry, almost out. Okay, so here we go. Rey staff, and where's the lightsaber? Sorry guys, I thought I lost the lightsaber, but it's hit. So you can put it in Rey's hand, like this. And also you can just like, this one's much easier to put on, so here we go. So that's what Ray is like. And also, sorry, I forgot to tell you that Poe actually has, Poe's this person. The figurine set that has Poe in it also comes with this gun, so you can put it in his hand. Like this. So now I'm gonna open the last box. So now we've come almost to the end of my video of figurines. So now I'm gonna be opening the figurine set of Luke Skywalker. Drum roll, please. So I think this is like the second best figurine that I have. The first best is Rey, of course. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to tell you that you can put her gun like on the side pocket over here. So that's why it's got two sides. So yeah, put that back. So now I'm going to be opening this. So I want you to open the top part of this. You can then open this. And so in this set you get a figurine and the usual so you get a stand as well. And so, like the other figurines, just untangle the wires, and thank goodness, thank you, there's only a few wires, so don't have to take so much time. So, see you guys later. Alright guys, so I finally untangled Luke Skywalker out of that pile of really dangerously bad wire. Because you know why it's dangerous? Because you can cut your fingers, as I said before. My dad nearly cut his finger too, and I actually needed help from my own dad because it was so difficult to untangle the wires. And yeah, it's really difficult, and I think I'm still untangling, but who knows, who cares. So I think he looks awesome. And I'm going to tell you something I realized. So you know these like two robes? Well, I realized this. It kind of looks like Rey, see? Two robes. And by the way, I actually got the Rey costume for The Force Awakens and The Last Jedi. And they're both so awesome. I can't believe people can make such cool costumes, right? Yeah, it's just awesome. And anyway, so now I'm going to show you my set that everything that I opened up. Hey guys, now that I finished my video, I just want to show you my figurines. So this is Rey with her lightsaber, and this is Luke Skywalker, and this is Poe Dameron, this one, and this is Rose, and this is little BB-8. So, hope you like my video, and please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and see you on the next one. Bye!